beautiful place. I love this place. I can enjoy the fresh air and also the beautiful bird song. There are so many up there on the tree. And now with my Nikon D5200, I'm going to photograph many things here, such as beautiful flowers over there. I don't know what flower is that, but I love the color, the red color. And also I found a tiny flowers over there, the one over there, and I have checked on Google. The name is Mickey Mouse plants, but I think mouse is not the suitable name for that, because I think that's very beautiful, and mouse I think it's not beautiful. I think it's a very beautiful. I can photograph this with sky and cloud as the background, and also from here like this, so the leaves become the background like that. So the sky as a background, the gray cloud, and there is a tiny butterfly here. I think he is sleeping now, maybe because cloudy, so she is sleeping now. Okay, so I don't need to struggle to photograph this, and I can use my macro extension to photograph this butterfly. I can get really closer to this.